What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since I have uploaded anything, well, in the last week or so, because I recently have become a father to a beautiful daughter, and I just haven't had time to get out in the garage and do stuff. However, I am got a little time today, and the thing we are going to be doing is a boost test on the B3000. We're going to be figuring out if there's any boost leaks in the charge pipes or in the system. So I bought a 4-inch to 4-inch, and I had to just heat this up, stretch it to a 4-inch just plug, so it looks like that. Alright, so we've got the right size here. However, I don't have the proper tool for this, but since this is soft, this will work out just fine, I think. Look at that, screws right in. So I'm going to go ahead on this fitting. You'll want some tape here for the fittings. That way it seals it off. Okay, perfect, right like that. So we've got that done. Alright guys, so I have this set up for, there's pushing about 15 pounds of boost at the moment. I probably will go up a little bit more, but I'm going to plug it in here, and you can hear that it's leaking. And you can see this right here. So I've definitely got a leak right there I've got to fix. So let's get on that first, and then we'll stick it back on and check some other things out. So I have currently fixed this one temporarily until I can get the right tool to fix it. Then we've got the one leak here. So when I cover that up, and then I don't know if you guys can hear, but I've got leaks there and there at some of the joints I welded up. Since I have a MIG welder and not a TIG welder, it's not as clean. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that charge pipe off. Everything sounds good on this side. So I'm thinking this side is fine, but I'm going to go ahead and check that one too. Also, I did crank up the pounds of air to 20 pounds because that should be about what I'm going to be running in this truck. So I have got everything put back together. I took off this charge pipe, got all the pinholes welded up, as well as swap this vacuum line out for the boost gauge. It will be getting the proper boost gauge wire, but or hose. I didn't have that here, so I just kind of went with that. Any leaks? Okay, for our purposes, I think we are boost leak free now, and that right there is how you do a boost leak check on a turboed car. Just recap: stick your boot on here, push air through the system. You're going to want to run PSI through there, the amount that you plan on running. So if you're only running, 15 pounds of boost, you're going to want to put 15 to it and see if it holds that. If you're running 30 pounds, you're going to want to, crank your boost or your PSI up to 30 just to make sure that it can hold the max boost you plan on running. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm out.